Development, development, development. Something we should all be thinking about all the time. So let's hear what Manzoor has to say about this slightly controversial topic, and watch the end to see how he answers my favorite interview question. What recommendation do you have regarding best practice approach to personal development? People and maybe even their organization, they focus on career progression, just get ahead, get promoted, versus actually building the solid foundation with skill building. And I guess if I draw an analogy, it's like, for me, when I thought about this, it's really important when you build a house, you build the foundation before you build the fancy balcony. But what are your thoughts? Because
it's a topic that's very close to my heart. It's just because individual goes through different phases of their career, right? Today maybe you want a title, you want money because of your financial situation. Tomorrow, once that is met, then you need a learning phase. Then you may need a people management experience. So you just go with the phase, and there's nothing wrong of asking certain things. Then you need to think about, okay, where can I get this? Any skills acquisition would definitely help as long as you decide to employ that. You can continue get a degree like PhD, postdoc, and not, but if you're not employing it, there's no value to it. So when you acquire a skill, you have to find out, okay, where I can employ. Not necessarily you have to get promoted to get it. You can just join a different project team to support. That's what I would suggest. So continuous learning is definitely the way to go. Do not stop learning. And with that learning, you look for opportunities where I can employ. No one is going to come and give it to you opportunity. You have to look for it. So nowadays, through network, through keeping your eyes open and through learning, you can grow.
Yeah. If you agree with what we're saying, give us that thumbs up.
Now, last question for a bit of fun, and thank you again. The insights have been amazing. If you were a pharmaceutical drug, what would your warning label say? And I bet you've never had this in interview question.
No, never. It's the first. Don't take it in the morning or when you're hungry.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Because I'm not a morning person, so for sure.
Yeah. I'm glad this was sort of after lunch. Hopefully you've had lunch and full. But you've been amazing. You've been, a gem, Manzoor. I really appreciate it. I can't thank you enough for all the wisdom that you've shared with our guests. You're like a GPS. You've given the map straight to success. So guys, I really hope you've taken a lot of value from this and do action Manzoor's steps, because 20 years of wisdom has just been shared with you. So take advantage of that. He's a busy man to make time for this.
Now, I'd love to get to know some of you better. So drop a comment below. Are you a morning person or are you a night owl?
It's really, a pleasure, and I wish all of you all the best, and I hope this helps.
Yeah, thank you so much, Manzoor.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Congrats, you've got the interview invincibility suit. But if you want to hear more from others who have been through the application process, I'd recommend this video here from Beck. It talks about managing rejection, and that it's just redirection into a new, better role. Otherwise, if you want to get into the head of a hiring manager, this video here with Robin Whiteley is an absolute banger, where he talks about the importance of how candidates make him feel and the interpersonal skill, the rapport building, the connection that leads ultimately to his hiring decision.